when you install the demo content, you get something like this. As you see, here are 5 images, and when you click on image, it goes to the post. Let's see now how it looks, the home page. The home page, there is code like this. I will convert this to the block. It say create slider, latest post true and post number 5. So it will create the carousel slider from latest posts, and the maximal number of posts will be 5. I will set here now to be 2, for example. Update, and now there should be just latest 2 images here. Here they are. So when I click on this image, it goes to the post, and we will edit this post. To set this image here front on home page, you need to use this custom field here, home slider image, and here you can set any other image for the home page. Update, and here we have some other image. If you don't set this image here and click update, and on home page we still have latest post, show them too. The code will show the latest 2 posts which have this image here. So this post will not be anymore here. So the latest 2 posts are this one. And basically with this image here you can control which post to be on the home page or not to be on home page. Of course, there is another solution. Another solution is to create a custom slider with custom images and custom titles and custom links. So I will use this code from here. Will paste here. I will set, this is first title, title 1, second, third title, numbers, and here I will set a link to basic.com, and here I need to set URL to image, link to the image. How to get this? Go to the media, and I will use, let's say, this one. Just copy this from here. Will here remove, paste, and now there should be one image and on the home page. Here it is. I have set for the first slide, I have set the first image only. I will use now some other images for second and third slide. Let's say this one. And one more. Let's say this one. Update. Now on home page I have something like this. As you see, the images are small. I will use one bigger image here, just to find one bigger image. Now let's say this one. So I have now something like this, and this does not look really nice. I have let this so you can set any size for the image, but if you want to set all images to be the same size, you can do it via CSS like this. Go to customize, additional CSS, and here use the code like this. Okay, I will publish this, and we will go back to the home. Here this. So now all images are the same size, and when you go back to customize, again all images are same size. Of course you can set here some other number, let's say like this. I need to refresh this. Here they are.